morning, dear student. How are you? Hope you are okay by the grace of Allah. Dear student, this is the panic period of coronavirus. Panic spread all over the world. All government, health researcher, doctor say stay home and save your life. So I'd like to share with you an online class. Okay, dear student. The previous classes I shared with you some basic grammatical items such as what is grammar, what is English grammar, how many kinds of English grammar, and I briefly shared with you orthography, etymology, syntax, punctuation and prosody. I also shared with you what is letter, small letter, capital letter, vowel, consonant, alphabet and so on. Dear student, in this class I would like to share with you a very simple and easy task. This is also your basic grammatical topics. This is syllable. Okay, dear student, let's enter the class syllable. Okay. Dear student, can anybody share with me what is syllable? Okay, no problem. I'd like to help you. Dear student, syllable means the word which is included any sentences, the parts of word which is included any sentences, and we pronounce it at a time. This is called syllable. Or every parts of word called syllable. Okay, every parts of word called syllable. On the other hand, we can say that when we pronounce any parts of words without changing the speed of our lips and tongue, this is called syllable. When we pronounce any parts of words without changing the speed of our lips and tongue, this is called syllable. Okay, dear student, for your better understanding, I'd like to say in Bangla, syllable অর্থাৎ কোনো ওয়ার্ডের যতটুকু অংশ একবারে উচ্চারণ করা যায় তাকে সিলেবল বলে। কোনো ওয়ার্ডের যতটুকু অংশ একবারে উচ্চারণ করা যায় তাকে সিলেবল বলে। অন্যদিকে আমরা বলতে পারি ঠোঁট এবং জিভ। ওকে, লিপস অ্যান্ড টাং, ঠোঁট এবং জিভের গতি না বদলে কোনো ওয়ার্ডের যতটুকু অংশ আমরা একবারে উচ্চারণ করি সেটা হলো সিলেবল। Suppose we pronounce pen. When we pronounce pen, we pronounce it at a time. We never movement our lips or tongue. And when we pronounce father, we pronounce it at 2 times, and we change our lips and tongue. Okay. In beyond, we pronounce it on 3 times, such as in, the, on. Okay, dear student, according to the pronunciation, according to the parts of words pronunciation, there are 4 kinds of syllable. Okay, these are as follows: monosyllable. Mono means one. Mono means one. The word which has only one syllable, this is called the monosyllable, such as pen, fan, cat, bed, mat, hand, man, son, door, dog, ball. Okay, dear student, when we pronounce this word, we pronounce at a time and our tongue and lips towers change their speed. So why this is monosyllable? That means mono means one. That means the word which is only one syllable. That means the word একটি মাত্র syllable থাকে তাকে monosyllable বলে. Okay, then disyllable. Die means toe. Die means toe. Okay, dear student, the word which has two syllable, this is called disyllable. For your better understanding, I like to share with you Bangla. That means the word দুইটি syllable থাকে তাকে disyllable বলে. যেমন father. When we pronounce father, we make or speak fa. This is disyllable. Okay, dear student. Mother. This is disyllable. Another word, teacher. Okay, teacher. This is syllable. Brother. When we pronounce brother, we pronounce it brother. There is two syllable. The word here is two syllable. Pencil. Okay. Paper. This is contained two syllable. অর্থাৎ যে ওয়ার্ডে দুইটি syllable থাকে তাকে ডাইসিলেবল বলে. Okay, dear student. Then trisyllable. Tri means three. That means three. Okay. The word which has three syllable. This is called trisyllable. For your better understanding, I would like to say in Bangla. That means the word তিনটি syllable থাকে ট্রাইসিলেবল বলে. অর্থাৎ আমরা তিনবার ভেঙে এই ওয়ার্ডটাকে উচ্চারণ করতে পারি. such as Indian. When we pronounce it, ভেঙে আমরা উচ্চারণ করি Indian. This word carries trisyllable. Visitors. When we pronounce visitors, we pronounce it visitors. This is contains trisyllable. Headmaster. Okay. Education. This word contains trisyllable. Okay, dear student. Polysyllable. Then analysis with you polysyllable. Poly means four. The word which contains four or more syllable. This is called the polysyllable. অর্থাৎ যে ওয়ার্ডে তিনের বেশি সিলেবল থাকে অথবা ওয়ার্ডে চার অথবা তার বেশি সিলেবল থাকে তাকে পলিসিলেবল বলে. পাঁচটি থাকতে পারে, ছয়টি থাকতে পারে, আরও বেশি থাকতে পারে, মানে চারের বেশি. This is called polysyllable. Example, examination. When we pronounce examination, we pronounce it breaking examination. Okay, dear student, this word contains four syllables. Okay, then another example, photography. We pronounce it, আমরা ভেঙে এটাকে উচ্চারণ করলাম, চারবার লেগেছে সময়, চারটা সিলেবল. photography. Okay, another example, intelligent. When we pronounce it intelligent. Okay. Another example, communicative. Communicative. Okay. Then another example, Krishnachura. Krishnachura. This word contains 4 syllables. This word carries 4 syllables. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand syllable. Okay, that means for your better understanding, I would like to say another again in Bangla. কোন ওয়ার্ডের যতটুকু অংশ একবার উচ্চারণ করা যায় তাকে সিলেবল বলে। অন্য কথায় আমি বলেছিলাম ঠোঁট এবং জিভের গতি না বুঝে কোন ওয়ার্ডের যতটুকু অংশ আমরা একবার উচ্চারণ করি তাকে সিলেবল বলে। 4 রকমের সিলেবল আমরা দেখতে পাই। There are 4 types of syllable. These are monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable and polysyllable. Okay, dear student. Mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, poly means 4 or more. The word which has only 1 syllable, this is called the monosyllable. অর্থাৎ যে ওয়ার্ডে একটি মাত্র সিলেবল থাকে তাকে মনোসিলেবল বলে। Disyllable, word which contains 2 syllables, this is called disyllable. অর্থাৎ যে ওয়ার্ডে দুইটি মাত্র সিলেবল থাকে তাকে ডাইসিলেবল বলে। Try or tree. The pronunciation is try or tree. Both are correct. Okay. Yes, student. ওয়ার্ডে 3টি সিলেবল থাকে তাকে ট্রাইসিলেবল বলে। And polysyllable, the word which carries 4 or more syllables, this is called the polysyllable. অর্থাৎ যে ওয়ার্ডে 4টি বা তার বেশি সিলেবল থাকে তাকে polysyllable বলে। Okay, dear student. I hope you understand. Dear student, can anybody say why we need syllable? Why we need syllable? মানে সিলেবলটা আমাদের কেন প্রয়োজন? Dear student, okay, I would like to help you. To know the right pronunciation or to know the correct pronunciation, we must need syllable. Okay? আমি বাংলায় বলছি আবার। সঠিক প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনের জন্য, সঠিক উচ্চারণ জানার জন্য আমাদের সিলেবলটা অবশ্যই দরকার। ওকে, ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, when you read any particular topics, if you when you read any particular topics, if you read, তোমরা যদি কোনো বিষয় পড়তে যাও পার্টিকুলারলি তোমরা যদি ওয়ার্ডটি ভেঙে ভেঙে পড়ো তাহলে তোমাদের বানানে ভুল হওয়ার সম্ভাবনা কম থাকবে। ওকে, সো why to know the right or correct pronunciation we must need syllable. Okay, dear student,